Hey everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you want to know what we've been doing since we haven't been on YouTube in a while? Because it's been rained, what they're saying, past 20 hours, something like 11 inches. So we're going to run over to the Baptist camp, go check out the new bridge, and see if the lake filled up. We'll get with y'all in just a minute. It's full.
That rain is definitely what it needed. Oh, is that what that was?
Alright, let me take a look. Stay right there, guys. Don't get it muddy. Oh yeah. Going in. And we got an overflow right over here for the emergency overflow. I did check it earlier this morning. It actually was coming over just a little bit, so let me walk down here. We put a stick right there where our water level is supposed to be. Let's see how close. Let's see, that's pretty close. Let's kind of show you how much we're over. We're full. That's the beach right over here. We'll go right by it in just a minute. Maybe we can, I don't think we can get over the bridge. I think it's because we got to put rocks on all that. Some gravel, we got to gravel that up, so I don't know if I can get on it. It's real muddy. But yep, there's 2 poles for the lifeguards, and then we'll go take a look at the other side. Let's see. All right, be back in just a minute. All right, here's the beach. And let's see, right there, lifeguard stand there. You remember the water went down, it's like 4 foot deep right here with sand in it. And it's got a big hump on it. Let's check out the other side of it. Yeah, it's definitely over full.
Doggy prints.
I know, I've been walking.
Oh.
So you can be on this side. They have little kayaks. You'll be able to go under the bridge right here. Yeah.
Aren't those footprints? What?
I would go on top of the bridge, but it's really, really wet. I'm not gonna do that. No?
No.
You sure you don't want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah. They don't want you to do it.
Mm-hmm.
No.
They don't want us to do it?
I'm going to.
You need to do it for the video.
Oh my gosh. Now they're gonna know it's us that did it.
No, but we have 91 fans or 98 fans, almost 100 fans. So at 100 fans, you can go walk on the bridge while it's
Walking
like
on the
6 inches.
bridge.
Yeah, you'd have to walk on it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I thought you said
with
drive.
6 inches of mud. No, just you.
No.
No.
Last time you got Danette did that, she followed it.
No?
No.
I'll do it.
I got permission.
Oh, Oh, you don't want me to do it?
Because then we have to clean you. Clean your shoes.
Oh, well, you don't. Oh, I can clean myself.
Okay. Alright, guys. That's the Baptist camp. I'll bet you we're sitting in 1, 2, 3. That's 7, almost 8 acres. 7 acres, something like that, maybe. Anyway, alright, see y'all later. Alright, now we're over on our 15-acre project. That's pretty much next door to this, to the camp. So we're gonna dig all this out all the way back there, all the way around. But we're gonna wait for the dry weather. So I put a road. Ooh. Might be a little soft right here, guys. It's been coming over the road right here. I put a culvert under it to feed this one. And this is only a couple inches deep. It's just deep enough, just shallow enough to where it'll drain into the culvert. The pond's gonna go all the way back there. Pretty much what you see on water here is gonna be all pond. House pad right there. So, You can go fishing.
I can hear it.
You can hear it. Guys, we have gotten some rain. We ain't never gonna be able to do dirt work.
Nope.
So, anyway, talked to the director at the Baptist camp. Asked him, he'd been praying for rain to fill the lake up. I said, okay, it's full, so if you can go talk to the Lord again and get us some dry weather. All right, we'll see what that happens.
Bye.
Bye.
Y'all later.